So good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss some more problems about a dot product. So our first question is this: that modulus a bar dot b bar plus b modulus b bar dot a bar is perpendicular to modulus a bar dot b bar minus modulus a bar. You know, so a bar and b bar are perpendicular vectors. Then a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. So now we have to take the dot product of these two vectors. So what is it? A dot product? Modulus a bar into b bar plus modulus b bar into a bar dot modulus a bar into b bar minus modulus b bar into a bar. You have to find out this. So actually modulus a bar is a scalar. So modulus a bar squared into b bar dot b bar. First you have to multiply this. Next first and last. That means modulus a bar into modulus b bar into b bar dot a bar. Next second, this modulus b bar into modulus a bar into a bar dot b bar. Next modulus b bar into modulus b bar into b a, a bar dot a bar. So modulus a bar squared is this and b bar dot b bar is what? A modulus b bar squared minus modulus a bar into modulus b bar into this b bar dot a bar is equal to a bar dot b bar plus this modulus b bar into a bar. You can write it as modulus a bar into modulus b bar into a bar dot b bar plus modulus b bar squared, minus modulus b bar squared into a bar squared. So these two will cancel, these two will cancel. So answer is 0. Since the dot product is 0, what we can say? This vector is perpendicular to this one. Therefore, modulus a bar into b bar plus modulus b bar is perpendicular to modulus a bar into b bar minus modulus b bar into a bar. This is the answer. Next, if a bar, b bar, c bar are unit vectors such that a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to 0, find the value of a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar. So what you have to do? Modulus a bar is equal to modulus b bar is equal to modulus c bar is equal to 1. And now you know a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to 0. Squaring a bar plus b bar plus c bar squared is equal to 0 squared. This is what a bar squared plus b bar squared plus c bar squared plus 2a bar dot b bar plus 2b bar dot c bar plus 2c bar dot a bar is equal to 0. So a bar squared is modulus a bar squared modulus b bar squared plus modulus c bar squared plus 2 into a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar is equal to 0. This modulus a bar squared is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 squared plus 1 squared plus 1 squared plus 2 into a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar is equal to 0. Therefore, a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar is equal to what? Minus 3 by 2. If the vertices ABC of triangle ABC are 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2 respectively, find actually ABC ABC. Angle ABC is angle between BA and BC. So first of all, you have to find out BA and BC. What is vector BA? Vector BA means OA minus OB. What is OA? This is A, this is B, this is what is OA is what? I cap A plus 2J cap A plus 3K cap A minus OB is what? Minus I cap. So what is it? 2I cap plus 2J cap plus 3K cap. Now, what is vector BC? BC is equal to OC minus OB. What is OC? OC is equal to 0 I cap plus J cap plus 2K cap minus OB is minus I cap. So what is it? I cap plus J cap plus 2K cap. What you have to find out? BA dot BC. So BA dot BC is equal to, you have to find out cos angle. Cos angle B is angle ABC is equal to BA dot BC by modulus BA into modulus BC. What is BA? 2I cap A plus 2J cap A plus 3K cap A dot I cap plus J cap plus 2K cap A by root of 2 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared into 1 squared plus 1 squared plus 2 squared. Is equal to 2 plus 6A by 9 plus 4 13, 9 plus 4 13 plus 4 17, root 17 plus root 6. 10 by root 17 into 6 is what? 17 into 6 is root of 102. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to cos inverse 10 by root of 102. Show that points are there are ways to prove collinearity. Now I am using this vector AB. What is vector AB? OB minus OA. What is OB? 2I cap plus 6J cap plus 3K cap minus I cap plus 2J cap plus 7K cap. So I cap plus 4J cap minus 3K cap minus 7K cap is 4K cap. Minus OA. So 3I cap plus 10J cap minus K cap minus OA is what? I cap plus 2J cap plus 7K cap. So what is it? 2I cap plus 8J cap minus 8K cap. If you take 2 outside, 2 into I cap plus 4J cap minus 4K cap. What is it? 2 into vector AB. So vector AC is equal to what? You go 2 into vector AB. So you know if two vectors are collinear, what is the condition? Remember, A bar is equal to what? Lambda into B bar. So one vector is equal to some constant another vector. So what you can say? The vectors are collinear. So the points are collinear. Next, show that the vectors form a right angle on the vertices of a right angle triangle. So what you have to do? You find out this is A, this is B, this is C. What is vector AB? Vector AB is equal to OB minus OA. I cap minus 3J cap minus 5K cap minus 2I cap minus J cap plus K cap. So minus I cap minus 2J cap minus 4K cap. AC. Now what is AC? AC is equal to OC minus OA. OC minus OA is what? OC minus OA is 3I cap minus 4J cap minus 4K cap minus 2I cap minus J cap plus K cap. So what is it? I cap minus 5J cap. Sorry. I cap minus 3J cap minus 4K cap minus 5K cap. Now vector BC. What is vector BC? OC minus OB. What is it? OC minus OB? 3I cap minus 4J cap minus 4K cap minus OB is what? I cap minus 3J cap minus 5K cap. So 2I cap minus J cap minus 4K cap plus K cap. Okay. Now find AB dot BC. AB dot BC is equal to minus I cap minus 2J cap minus 4K cap dot 2I cap minus J cap plus K cap. So minus 2 plus 2 sorry, minus 5 6K cap. I cap a minus 3J cap a minus 5K cap minus 2I cap minus J cap a plus K cap. I cap minus 2I cap minus I cap minus 3J cap a plus J cap a minus 2J cap minus 6 cap. What is AC? AC is what vector AC is equal to OC minus OA. 3I cap minus 4J cap minus 4K cap minus 2I cap minus J cap plus K cap. 3I cap minus 2I cap is I cap minus 4J cap plus J cap minus 3J cap. Minus 4K cap and minus K cap minus 5K cap. Now vector BC is equal to OC minus OB. What is OC? 3I cap minus 4J cap minus 4K cap minus OB is what? I cap minus 3J cap minus 5K cap. 3I cap minus I cap is 2I cap minus 4J cap plus 3J cap is what? Minus J cap minus 4K cap plus 5K cap is K cap. Now you have to multiply in such a way that dot product of 1 is equal to dot product should be 0. Dot product should be 0. What is AC dot BC? Try in different way. AC dot BC is what? AC is what? I cap minus 3J cap minus 5K cap dot 2I cap minus J cap plus K cap. So 2 plus 3 minus 5, 0. AC dot BC is equal to 0 means AC is perpendicular. Vector AC is perpendicular to vector BC. This is no error. So AC, therefore, what you can say, angle C is equal to 90 degree. If angle C is equal to 90 degree, what our triangle ABC is? Right angle triangle. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Now, if A bar, B bar, C bar are three vectors such that modulus A bar is equal to 3, modulus B bar is equal to 4, modulus C bar is equal to 5. And each one of them being perpendicular to some other. That means you can write A bar dot B bar plus C bar is equal to 0. Similarly, B bar dot A bar plus C bar is equal to 0. Similarly, C bar dot A bar plus B bar is equal to 0. Now, you can write A bar plus B bar plus C bar the whole squared is equal to A bar squared plus B bar squared plus C bar squared plus 2A bar dot B bar plus 2B bar dot C bar plus 2C bar dot A bar. So modulus A bar squared plus modulus B bar squared plus modulus C bar squared plus 2A bar dot B bar. I am writing like this: A bar dot B bar plus C bar plus B bar dot C bar plus A bar plus C bar dot A bar plus B bar. So modulus A bar is 3. So 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 5 squared plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So 50 answer. Therefore, what is modulus A bar plus B bar plus C bar? Root of 50. Root of 50 means 5 root 2. 5 root 2. Next one. 3 vectors A bar, B bar, C bar satisfy the condition A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 0. Evaluate the quantity mu. So you can write A bar plus B bar plus C bar squared is equal to A bar squared plus B bar squared plus C bar squared plus 2 into A bar dot B bar plus 2 into B bar dot C bar plus 2 into C bar dot A bar. So modulus A bar squared plus modulus B bar squared plus modulus C bar squared plus 2 into A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot C bar plus C bar dot A. This is 0. So 0 squared is equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 2 squared plus 2 into mu. This is mu. So mu is equal to 9 plus 6, 25, 29. Minus 29 by 2. This is the answer. Thank you.